Hello there, my name is Wendell, and it's me and Tristan. Today we are playing Playground Mode in Fortnite. My friend Tristan is here.
We're gonna build a giant ramp, and then hopefully die.
Hopefully die? You don't make any sense. Okay. Are you ready to start?
I am ready to start.
Okay. Let's go into this.
Let's jump. Let's hit tilted.
Okay.
Hit tilted.
Yep.
Die this time.
Okay, we are going to be going to Tilted. Going to Tilted, you said, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm setting my marker to tilted, and it's not that far away.
So, what are we going to be building?
We're going to be building a ramp, use distracting cuts, and go down it.
Yep, and hopefully we won't glitch through and teleport. Which never happened to me. And we may do a battle later. I doubt it though, so.
I doubt it's gonna go now.
Right,
It's gonna go down now.
we're probably just gonna build a ramp, guys. That's all we're gonna do. Nothing. Maybe do something else, explore, kill each other.
And we get some materials. Let's destroy this whole building.
I'm already gathering materials. So,
Yeah.
yeah, this is guys, this is a new mode in this, and you just do this for about an hour, which we're not gonna do because I don't feel like recording for a whole hour. So.
And I'm so excited for shooting a gun, like scary.
Which then you also get you get to respawn every once in a while whenever you want. Well, if you die from somebody.
And I hope we don't die, because if we go down the ramp and we die, that's gonna be bad.
Right.
What?
So we are gonna be.
I got some dual pistols, Wendell.
Ooh, I found a llama.
You did? Wait for me, don't take it.
Fun fact, guys, in this mode, I've heard from watching other people play it, that you get like, there's 100 llamas in it or something like that.
Wendell, wait for me.
You don't need
I
any.
want some llamas.
Yeah, you want to know something.
Where's the llama at?
Long gone.
Oh, I have to enter the
So, sorry guys, this is going to be glitchy. It's not very good with two things
running. Not on mine, it's not.
Right. But on mine, since this computer is not the best, but neither is it bad. It's not bad at all. It's pretty good for the most part. Wait, why am I destroying this? I already have 99 wood.
And now I need 100 metal. 999 melons.
Might as well find somewhere to kill myself.
Wendell, where are you? Wendell, what are you doing?
I'm building up so I can die. My health is at 13 and it's like blaring. Making like red go around my screen, and that's kind of annoying.
Wendell, I have too many resources of all of them. I have 999 of all of them.
Yeah. Oh, and fun fact, guys, you respawn right where, if you die, you respawn right there so you can get your materials right back. And you don't have to go through the bus thing.
Where's the princess? Wendell?
Yes?
I'm going build height.
Oh, you already are up. You already have both, right?
999.
So we are going to.
Build height.
I got a campfire, some ammo, and a couple of traps, bandages, and all that. So.
I'm dead.
You are?
I died.
You fell?
No, don't cuss. I'm like making a YouTube video.
Fuck that, guys. As I said, my name's Michael. Tristan does.
It's for the rock.
Tristan does tend to swear, guys. But I told him not to in this video.
There's a loop.
Right, Tristan? You're not gonna swear.
I never did. That was my mom.
Okay. Whatever.
Wanda doesn't want spoilers in his YouTube video.
Tell just everyone to know. How can you hear me?
Because this microphone can hear people from really far away.
Yeah, guys. Oh, snap. I'm gonna die again.
I found a shopping cart.
Okay, I'm gonna get my
Might
own.
as well take it. I'm gonna take it back to where we were.
Might as well drink this shield, because someone trusts me might fight me. Or she'll get mad or something.
I am not going to fight you.
For now. Ooh, a pump. Oh, nope, that's cool.
Wendell, I found a new shopping cart where I'm at.
Cool. I found a minigun.
A minigun?
Light minigun epic. That's an epic.
I'm bringing the shopping cart.
Okay.
Look for a shopping cart in Tilted.
I am. Found one.
You did?
Yeah.
Do you see a ramp?
Yep. Wait, do you have a
A
part where it
giant
goes...
ramp?
No, you need to make it so some parts can go up, so if we successfully do it, we can, like, fly up.
I did.
No, you didn't.
What? I don't know.
Okay, ramp successful.
Let's find my shopping cart. I'm gonna take this time off ramp, Anna.
Yeah, guys, this is creepy. Yes, a lot of people...
This is probably one of the funnest things I'm ever gonna do in Fortnite.
We've been playing already for a little, and we've already done a couple of this a couple times. And once I glitched...
Well, we did it once.
Yeah, we actually built it once, but we went down it like 3 or 4 times.
Don't go up the ramp, it's still in work in progress.
What are you... Wait, who's in here? Who are you? There's a random person in here.
That's me.
No, it's not.
Yes, this is.
Okay.
This person with this shopping cart is me.
Sorry, I thought you were someone else. You normally have your name tag. Stop shooting me. Stop!
That's what you get for shooting me.
I will fire this at
I
you.
won't shoot you again. Our shopping carts are stuck. Please, Wanda, I will stop shooting you.
I'm not.
If you stop shooting me.
Okay, I'll meet you at the top. Actually, I'll continue building the ramp if you want me to.
So will I. Oh. This ramp is so big. Well, it's going to be one of the biggest ramps in the world.
Okay, this time we cannot have any flat places, okay?
We have to, Wendell.
No, it messes it up. Because then you fly. That's where it makes you fly.
It does?
Yeah.
Ah! I died.
Okay, I'm at the top. I don't have... I'm at the top.
I
I
fell
don't
to
have...
my death.
What?
I fell to my death, so I have to go and get more loot.
You don't need loot.
Yeah, I fell to my death.
Alright, yeah, they need it. No, I built this.
I can just go and get that loot. No more guns. Drop your gun.
Okay.
Guns are for murderers. I'm at 15 health right now.
I have a fire. I'll build a fire up here, so in case if you lose health at some point, you'll...
Put a fire up there so I can come up there and burn myself.
I will.
When you started building this before, or is this just one?
Okay, I have a fire right here.
You do?
Yep.
I'm building up. I'm building up.
I'm using it to heal up.
Me too, I'm at 15 health.
Oh, wow.
Make sure it doesn't burn out.
It's infinite.
No,
Oh,
not always.
it's out.
Randall.
How was I supposed to know? Stop, stop, stop. What? Hold on, stop.
I need more health.
Here, I bandage
Is it
this.
back up?
I bandage this.
Can I have him?
Yeah.
Give me my bandages. Don't shoot me, I don't have any guns.
I know. So, yeah, me and Tristan are having fun doing this. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, wait, you're making like a 2-part ramp like this?
Yeah, it's gonna be ginormous.
Sure.
The land is gonna be ginormous.
Tristan, where's my mouse?
It's over there, out there somewhere.
And in one of our other videos, that's on his, Tristan's sister, who might be in another one.
She will never be in a Fortnite video.
She can if she wants to.
Okay. She said she doesn't want to.
Okay.
I see somebody. Is that you?
Yes, it's just me and you in the server, remember?
Oh.
Let's just make this a 3-way.
A 5-way. We need to make it longer and bigger.
Okay.
Are we almost at build height?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah.
We're just making this extra safe.
Well, no, duh. We don't want to die. But wait, no, I'm at the bottom. You see that little ramp right there? We should make more of them. We should make more of those down there, Wendell.
Okay.
So then we can go up them and then go flying.
Ah!
Would that hurt you really bad?
No, I fell off the top because for some reason it didn't build. I'm gonna go get some more materials after this.
I have a lot of materials.
I have only 330s and 27 now, so I need a refill.
Well, no, I just died.
You did?
Yeah, from where you fell at. Don't take my loot, please.
I won't. What, do you have a gun or something?
No, I just have materials and I need those.
Right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video. We'll pause the video once we finish building the ramp. Okay, guys, here we go. Tristan,
Goodbye.
do not make this fall off.
I won't.
Do not make us glitch.
Oh, you don't get that seat.
Yeah.
Ah! I hit my back on the ground.
Okay, guys, bye. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Make sure to subscribe.